I was messaging Tulu.
Why?
Cause
Why?
I was bored.
Why?
Canadian.
Why?
Bacon.
Why?
Cheese.
Why?
Burger.
Why?
China.
Why?
Not Jews.
Why?
Nazis.
Why?
Hitler.
Why?
A lot of Jews died that day.
Why?
Because Hitler's an ass.
Why?
Because I said so.
Why?
Because he murdered Jews and we need them. They wear their little tiny hats.
Why?
Because they're Jewish.
Why?
Because that's their religion.
Why?
God.
Why?
Jesus.
Why?
Christ.
Why?
You.
Why?
Are.
Why?
A pain.
Why?
In.
Why?
My.
Why?
Anus.
Why?
Because.
That's not an answer.
Your mama ain't an answer.
Why?
Because it's your mama.
Why?
Popcicle.
Why?
Chocolate raspberry.
Why?
I gave you some of it, but you did not finish it.
Why?
I tooted. Beep.
Why?
No, I tooted.
Why?
Gas, body stuff.
Why?
I can do this and it'll be weird.
Why?
Because I have a perverted mind.
Why?
What? I didn't even look that time. My eyes did. The camera didn't. Ah! Jesus, no.
Why?
That hurt like a little. That would hurt like a son of a. Hold on. Let me get my. Oh, jeez. That was the 50th weirdest. Ow! Yeah, it did. Yo, mama did. I don't know. You up. Ow! What the f was that for? Ow! Ew! Ow! Jew. Oh wait, that wasn't a third. Ow! Son of a. Ew, no more, that hurts. Seriously, Kayla, no more. Oh, Jesus. I will kill you. Stop it, God. Ah! Son of a. You wanna watch it now? Oh, son of a. Oh, mother. We're watching this now.